Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm with Ricky. We're gonna be doing a 0 to 60 and 0 to 100 in his McLaren, so I hope you guys enjoy. Enjoyed that video. Let me know what you guys want to see next. If you guys want to know how we were able to profit off these cars, click that first link in the bio. I would love to jump on a call with you guys to help you guys get started. Thank you guys.